Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a little work light, BougeRV. It's a WL01 light. And it's stuck closed. Let me open it up here. I'll show you guys what this light is here. Hopefully it's a little rechargeable light, since that's what I wanted. Okay, so here is the quick start guide. So if you do need this, you could probably pause it and zoom in on that. And then here's the back side of it as well, if you are in need. And it comes with a charging cable. It looks like it's USB to USB-C. It's useful. And then we have the light here. Look at this. So it's going to be, it can go on a stand and you can hold it up here and it'll shine wherever you need it. It says warning, surface gets hot. I guess it's going to be a hot little light. And here we have our input. That's where we will charge it right there, charging to the USB-C side. And then on the other side here, with the little button, it's going to be the light side. Wow, that's a nice bright little light. And it looks like it has a dimmer by pushing the different buttons several times. So I think it starts off really bright. A slight, oh, did it go dimmer? That's really bright. And then it goes dimmer. Okay, and then how do we get that one? I wonder if we hold down the button maybe. Guess I'm gonna have to read the instructions to figure out how to get this one to light up. Let me see what that one does. Let's see. And it looks like it has magnets on this here, so we can magnet it to something. And it's also got like a carabiner, so you can hook it onto something to hang it. What's good about this is you can hang it and then you can kind of adjust the angle that you need as you're hanging it. So that's good too. Let me see how strong these magnets are. Oh, these are strong. Do I have anything metal over here? I don't know. I don't think I have anything metal to show you on it. But it definitely hung up onto the little cart that I have here. So let's see, how do we turn on that other light? It says the floodlight mode, on-off switch. So the on-off button pushes it to turn on the light. Press the button to turn off the light if no operation exceeds 3 seconds. Change the brightness. We can push it within 3 seconds. That's what I was doing here. So you can just push the button quickly and it will do that. Let's see. And mode 2 is high, low, off, medium, high, low, off. I guess you have the different modes. So let's see. Press the button. Let me figure out how to turn on this front light. I'll be right back. Okay, figured it out. So the way you do it, you push the button here. It'll turn on this, it'll turn on whatever you had on last. I had that one on. And then while it's on, you hold it down for a couple of seconds and then it turns on the other one. So here, so watch, if I hold it down, it'll switch. And then pushing it again does the dimming stuff like I had before. So you can dim this one as well. Super bright little flashlight. And there, now I pushed it enough times that it turned off. So very cool. So you can aim a flashlight, you can aim that. Really cool light. I'm putting this in my camper van, so I will always have it at the ready. Thumbs up for sure.